Before you use a massage stick, you need to loosen up your calf, put it in a loose position by coming up on your toe, and that will relax the muscle. Then grab the massage stick either from behind or in front like this and work up and down vigorously on the calf muscles. So start just below your knee and come all the way down to the end of the calf muscle just before the Achilles tendon starts. I want you to do 10 or 12 up and down, starting on the inside back of the calf with good firm pressure, and then rotate to the back. Same thing, good firm pressure, 10, 12 times up and down, and then finally use the massage stick on the back outside of the calf muscle. Now what you're going to find is that there will be parts of the muscle that are sore or more painful when you do this, places that are tighter. So take the stick when you find one of those and do really firm, vigorous, small up and down motions to try and loosen that area up. If you are currently treating plantar fasciitis or Achilles tendinitis, I recommend doing this twice every day. If you have a history of a problem such as Achilles tendinitis or a problem with your calf muscle, you should continue doing this even after you're better, but maybe 2 or 3 times a week, just to help keep the calf muscles more flexible.